Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Draw.io. So if you go to Draw.io, and I have a link on the symbol for you to click on, and then if you just want to either click to save to Google Drive or click to save to browser, which probably would be the best, click to save to browser, and then create a new diagram, and then call it, put your name here, and type community. And then we're going to create a blank diagram, so click on Create. And then you should come up with this template that looks something like this. So we're going to recreate a template that you're going to use. So you're going to click on the circle, and it's going to pop up here in the corner, and you're going to drag it to the middle. And then we want it to be a little bit bigger, so grab the corner, any one of the corners, and just pull it out a little bit and make the circle just a little bit bigger. And notice that it tells me a size. It says my circle is 140 and I want it exactly the same all the way around, so I'm going to say 130 by 130. And then click on text, and notice a text box pops up here, and drag that to the middle. And you'll want to make that a little bit bigger as well. So again, you can just drag on one of the little boxes and then double click and type the word me there. Okay, so now you should have a circle with the word me on the inside. We're going to draw another circle, so click on the circle again over here. Notice that it pops up here. I want you to drag it down, and I want you to cover the other circle for right now. So notice that we're making it probably about that size. I'm going to do mine 430 by 430. And then what I want you to do is notice that the circle's still blue. So go up here to Arrange and click on To Back. And notice that now the circle's behind it and the little circle, the other circle's in front of it. So click on the smaller circle and kind of bring it to the center. And you're going to have to bring your little text box down to the center. We're going to do this one more time. We're going to click on the circle, and again we're going to drag it down, and we're going to cover it up. And we're going to say Arrange to Back. And now we have 3 circles, and we want to we can grab it, and I can move it around a little bit so that my circles are a little more even. So again, it's just that drag and drop feature. And then we're going to do something else. We're going to do text again. You're going to grab that text and you're going to put it here. Going to make it a little bit bigger, and you're going to double click and type friends and family. And then you're going to do it one more time. Click on text, and you're going to grab a text and bring it down here. Make it a little bit bigger. Double click in here and type community. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to grab another text and put maybe friends and family in here. And I'm going to say mom and dad. And I can make my text box a little bit bigger here. And what you're going to do is, this is you in the center, and then you're going to talk about different types of technology that you use with your family and friends, and maybe that you use with your community. So mom and dad, maybe you call their cell phones. And maybe, depending on what you are, you do another text box, and we're going to drag it down, and I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to put maybe grandma, and maybe we Skype or video call grandma because she doesn't live here in town. And another text that I could probably pull down here and make bigger is maybe I play online games with friends. So maybe I have Xbox and I play online with my friends. And in my community, an example might be that maybe I email with the coach. Maybe the coach emails me about practice, or maybe I email with my teacher. So these are the different things that you can do, and I want you to continue to add those things. And when you're done, you're going to do File, and you're going to do Save As, and you're going to leave it in Browser, and you're going to save, and then you should have a link up here. That link up there is how your document is saved. So if you copy that, and then your teacher will tell you where to put that. She'll probably come around and get all those for you so you can go back and look at your document later. So hopefully this makes sense. And you can always change colors if you'd like to. If you would like the boxes to be different colors, you can click on the boxes over here. So I can make all my family and friends red. And I could make my community ones green if I wanted to. So if you have time, you can play around with a few of those options. Otherwise, you're just kind of getting your information onto there to talk about the different types of technology you use and who you might be using that technology with.